Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to solve the problem of who are you dwag when trying to log into in your Dogecoin account. Okay, so for my case, if I try to log into my Dogecoin account, I think it loads very well. So if I click on login like that, using the official Telegram bot of the Dogecoin, okay, I think for my case, mine opens my account. But there are some individuals who have such a problem. If I go to the Telegram community over here of Dogecoin, it's called a Dogs community. This one which has a verification tick. So guys, make sure that you join the code or you join the Telegram community with the verification link like this one here. Okay. So if I come here, and you see, if you try to log into your account and you see such a message saying, who are you dwag? Okay, if you see such a message, it's just an internal error within the Dogecoin. And according to their support, they say, hey dog community, for those who are seeing this message when logging in, simply add a username to your Telegram account. Once you do, log in again and you receive all your coins immediately. Okay, so guys, what they're saying is quite simple. They are saying that if you're logging into your account and it says who are you dwag, it means you've not yet added a username on your Telegram account. So what you have to do is simple. You need to add a username on your Telegram account and then you'll be able to log in again. Okay, as it says, once you add a username on your Telegram account, log in again and you receive your shares. So what they mean is that you log in again and you'll be able to receive your dog's coin. Okay, and as you can see, there are many people reacting over here, which means this has been helpful to them. So this means if I come to my Telegram account over here and I come to settings, as you can see, I personally have a username, but there are individuals who don't have a username. So those who don't have a username, come and set your username over here. Then after setting your username, you go back and log in into your dog's coin. Okay, so thanks for watching guys. We shall meet in the next video once again.